In this video, we're looking at adding new products into the simulator. Well, let's hop right in, take a look. Okay, so it's the same simulator we used before with candy bars. And let's hop over to the Units tab. And you'll see we've got two blank columns here, each with a 0 units. Obviously, that's going to tell you you've got no revenue with 0 units. These are just blank placeholders that we can put a new product in. Counting over, Twix is number 12, so the blank one should be 13. And what you see is this doesn't have a name, so let's add one here just for fun. Okay, so this label here is going to flow throughout most of the tabs in the analysis that we do. We can go ahead and configure this just for fun. Let's make a Twix-like bar. Fruit cream, that sounds great. And $10 seems a little bit high. Okay, still at 0. Why is that? Because we haven't turned it to available. This is what makes it available in the marketplace. And there, now we've got a units and a revenue and a profit forecast for this product. One really important note is, what do we do with these assumptions? So we need to have some assumptions for awareness and distribution. A lot of people say, well, I don't want to make assumptions. Well, that's the same as setting these to 1 or 100%, but that's still making an assumption and usually not a very good one. So if you're in CPG, like the candy bars here, distribution comes from a value called ACV that you'll find in syndicated sales data, and awareness usually we grab from the same survey instrument that we get the Conjoint data from. So definitely possible to get. Since we're doing a Twix lookalike, I would just look and copy those values from the Twix 0.5 and 0.64. Maybe I just accidentally had those all the same. Yep, they're already there. So with this, we could actually even start asking questions like, what if we got a new contract with a big retailer and that number went up? This will update all of our forecasts so we can see what happens to our new product when the distribution goes. Or if we have some assumptions about how advertising impacts awareness, so we've got some big advertising campaign and we can jack that up to 80%. Takes just a second, but we'll get a new forecast here for that new awareness. Okay, so once that's done, we can actually opens up for all the other analysis that you would do with the existing product. So we can take a look at price curves and see what the trade-off is between demand and price for this product. We can look at the level impact, so when we change product features, what's going to happen to our units, revenue, and profit forecast for each of those. We can actually even do the willingness to pay calculation. So that's just where we're combining the price and the level changes all in one. So we go through each of the product features and then we figure out what's the revenue optimizing price point for that product. Okay, nice fun chart. So yeah, here it is. Adding a new product into the simulator is really easy. And then it opens up all of the additional analysis that you would want to do beyond that. One thing to note is, let's go back to here. If the main focus of using the simulator is actually to investigate and see what's going to happen when you add a new product, what you probably want to do is actually put the blank columns over here on the left. It is a lot easier to see what's going on without having to scroll left and right. So depending on what your main objectives are, those blank columns could be on the left or the right. Well, if you're enjoying the video, make sure to subscribe so you can get notified when we launch a new one. And thanks again so much for watching.